Hi guys, welcome to Taste to Explore. My name is Darlene, and today, my friends, I am bringing you a very simple and easy chocolate frosting. Really simple to put together. And if you have followed me on my last video, I had made a homemade yellow cake. Perfect match. So let's go over to the really basic ingredients. Super easy, super tasty. Now let's get right to it. Alright guys, so all you're going to need to make this simple and easy chocolate frosting is 3/4 cup of heavy cream, a 12-ounce bag of semi-chocolate chips, 3 tablespoons of light corn syrup, and 4 teaspoons of unsalted butter. And that's it. Simple. Easy. Now let's get right. Alright guys, so on a small saucepan, we're going to heat up the heavy cream, the butter, which is unsalted, and the corn syrup. And we're gonna heat these 3 ingredients together first. And we just want a gentle simmer. Okay, so all you're waiting for is for the butter to be melted and a small simmer that you see going on right in the center or in the edge. And now we're going to place this on our chocolate chips. Alright, so right here with our chocolate chips, we're going to put in the mixture right in, and it's pretty warm. And we just want to keep it immersed. Don't touch it. Don't do anything to it for about 1 to 2 minutes. Okay guys, so right after you pour your milk mixture in here, you're going to want to allow this to sit just to melt the chocolate. And now after like a minute or 2, and not even too much, I'm going to take my whisk and I'm just going to mix it through. And here we have it, some delicious fudgy, easy, homemade icing. And just keep on mixing it until it becomes smooth and dark chocolate. Yum! Look at that. Look how awesome that is. Look. Smooth and delish. Now it's still a little loose. Once this cools off, this will be nice and creamy and thick, and you can put on top of your cupcakes or any kind of cake or muffins, cookies, whatever you would like to use this with. And it's all done, my friends. And thank you so much for joining me today. It's always a pleasure having you cook along with me. Make this. Leave me a comment below in whatever recipe you want me to make, and I'll see you again, my friends. Take care.